Welcome to Auto Speed Vibes, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of high-performance cars. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Audi RS Q8, a beast that combines the luxury of an SUV with the heart of a supercar. If you're looking for speed, style, and cutting-edge technology wrapped in a premium package, this might just be your next dream ride. The 2025 RS Q8 is the definition of performance luxury. Audi has taken their flagship Q8 SUV and injected it with RS DNA, turning it into an absolute powerhouse. It's aggressive, bold, and built to dominate both the streets and the track. The wide stance, massive grille, and sleek LED lighting make a statement before you even hit the throttle. The blacked-out elements, aerodynamic lines, and 23-inch alloy wheels enhance its road presence, giving it that signature RS attitude. At the front, the honeycomb grille, matrix LED headlights, and larger air intakes scream performance. Move to the side, and the coupe-like silhouette combined with sporty accents creates a perfect blend of muscle and elegance. The rear is just as striking, with OLED taillights, a sporty diffuser, and those massive RS oval exhaust tips that announce its power with every rev. Under the hood, the RS Q8 packs a monstrous 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, delivering a staggering 591 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, this SUV rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds. It's not just about raw speed. Adaptive air suspension, active roll stabilization, and rear-wheel steering ensure precision handling, making every drive an adrenaline rush. Inside, Audi's commitment to luxury shines through. The RS-specific virtual cockpit, carbon fiber trims, and Valcona leather seats create a high-tech yet comfortable cabin. A massive dual-screen infotainment system with haptic feedback, a Bang & Olufsen premium sound system, and a panoramic sunroof elevate the experience. Rear passengers aren't left out either, with ample space and premium materials surrounding them. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Audi RS Q8 starts at around $130,000. While that may seem steep, you're getting a supercar disguised as an SUV, blending everyday practicality with top-tier performance. It's the ultimate package for those who crave luxury but refuse to compromise on power. The biggest selling point? It's a track-ready SUV that doesn't sacrifice comfort. Whether you're cruising through the city, dominating highways, or pushing limits on a racetrack, the RS Q8 delivers on every front. If you're a fan of high-performance SUVs, let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Speed Vibes for more thrilling car content. Stay tuned for more automotive excitement. Until next time, drive fast but drive safe.